So if you got a Navy Federal account, I'm about to teach you a hack that a lot of people don't know about with Navy Federal. So if you already a member of Navy Federal and you have an account with them, you can pre-qualify for any of their credit cards. And I'm talking about any of their credit cards. They basic platinum card, they flagship reward card, and even if your credit isn't in the best condition, you can actually pre-qualify for their secured card, which I always recommend everybody do. It's one of the best secured cards that you can get out there. And by doing this, you at least establishing a relationship with Navy Federal. And so it's two ways of going about this. You can either log into your portal or your app and click the pre-qualify option, or you can just call in to Navy Federal and ask them to pre-qualify you for one of their credit cards. And at that point, they're gonna perform a soft inquiry, and then they'll get on there and let you know, you pre-qualify for one of these credit cards. Would you like to proceed with this? You wanna go ahead and submit yeah, and most likely 9 times out of 10, you will get that credit card. So this is another hack for Navy Federal to get one of their high limit credit cards. So what you wanna do is, you wanna put like $200 in your savings account, right? Wait till Navy Federal going to close around 11 p.m. Then you wanna go ahead and apply for one of their credit cards, but you wanna go through the pre-approval process. So you're gonna log into your Navy Federal account, go through the pre-approval process, click pre-approval, see what credit cards they offer you, and you wanna go for one of their known biggest credit cards. You got a 90% chance of getting that credit card, because at that point, it's a computer system that you're dealing with, and nobody from the credit card department to review your credit.
What it do? Yeah. You know what it is? Yeah. MJ. Disaster. Woo. I'm so thorough when I step up in it. Damn food collection clothes smelling just like